Welcome, young entrepreneurs. You want to talk growth? You want to talk about leveling up your business and your life? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 4 invaluable laws of growth that will transform your journey to success. These laws aren't some magic formula, okay? They're the fundamentals, the blocking and tackling, essential for anyone looking to achieve sustainable growth and make a lasting impact. This isn't about getting lucky. It's about putting in the work, day after day, and understanding the principles that will guide you to the top. Get ready to hustle because we're about to break down these laws, step by step, so you can walk away with actionable insights to implement right now. Let's go. The first law, the law of intentionality, is to control your destiny. Growth, it doesn't just happen. You don't wake up one day magically successful. You have to want it. You have to be intentional about your actions, about every single decision you make. Think of it like this. You're the architect of your own life, right? You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, would you? Of course not. You'd have a plan, a vision for what you want to create. That is intentionality. It's about setting clear goals, knowing what you want to achieve, and then reverse engineering the steps to get there. Don't leave your growth to chance, to luck, to some random stroke of fate. Take control, plan your growth, write down your goals, break them down into smaller bite-sized pieces. Make them actionable. This isn't about dreaming, it's about doing. Every morning you should wake up with a purpose, with a clear understanding of what you need to accomplish that day to move closer to your goals. Don't get caught up in the day-to-day grind without a larger vision. Be strategic, be deliberate, be intentional. Your growth, your success, it's all within your control. Own it. The second law of growth is know thyself, grow thyself. Now, being intentional is huge, right? It's about setting clear goals and having a vision for where you want to go. But there's more to it than just having a plan. It's only half the equation. You need to be adaptable and ready to pivot when necessary. You gotta pair that hustle with awareness, self-awareness. This means taking the time to reflect on your actions and decisions, knowing where you stand, what you're good at, and where you need to improve. Look, nobody's perfect. It's about recognizing your current position and understanding your capabilities. We all have strengths and weaknesses. It's a natural part of being human. The key is to identify them, to be brutally honest with yourself about what you excel at and what you suck at. This honesty is the foundation for real growth. Don't shy away from your weaknesses. Embrace them. They are not roadblocks but stepping stones. Use them as opportunities for growth. Each weakness is a chance to learn something new and improve. Maybe you're amazing at coming up with creative ideas but struggle with execution. That's okay. It's about finding balance. Recognize it, and then find ways to strengthen that area. Seek out resources, mentors, and tools that can help you improve. Delegate, learn new skills, build a team that complements your weaknesses. Collaboration is key. Awareness isn't about being hard on yourself. It's about being honest with yourself so you can make smarter decisions and surround yourself with the right people. It's about creating a supportive environment. It's also about understanding your market, your audience, your competition. This external awareness is just as crucial. What are they doing well? What are they missing? These insights can guide your strategy. Where are the gaps that you can fill? Identifying these opportunities can set you apart. Awareness is about constant learning, about staying curious, about always seeking to understand yourself and the world around you better. It's a lifelong journey. The more aware you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the challenges and opportunities that come your way. This awareness will be your guiding light. Let me tell you something, my friends. Consistency, the third law, is king. It's the bedrock upon which all great achievements are built. Without it, even the most brilliant ideas can wither away. The law of consistency is the secret sauce, the magic ingredient, the one thing that separates the dreamers from the doers. Consistency is what turns aspirations into reality, one step at a time. You can have the best intentions in the world, the sharpest awareness, but if you don't back it up with consistent action, it means nothing. It's like having a map but never taking the journey. Listen, success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about endurance, about pacing yourself for the long haul. It's about showing up day after day, even when you don't feel like it, even when you're tired, even when the world seems to be against you, even when you're facing setbacks. Because setbacks are just setups for comebacks. The truth is, most people overestimate what they can achieve in a short period of time and underestimate what they can achieve with consistent effort over the long term. Think of it like compound interest. Small, consistent actions compounded over time lead to massive results. It's the principle of gradual accumulation. Each small effort adds up, creating a snowball effect that propels you forward. Small, consistent actions compounded over time lead to massive results. It's about building momentum, creating habits that support your goals. It's about building momentum, creating habits that support your goals. Habits that become second nature, that drive you even when motivation wanes. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Stay focused on the process, on putting in the work, day in and day out. Consistency breeds discipline, and discipline is what fuels true growth. It's about staying committed to your vision, to your goals, even when things get tough, because they will get tough. But it's in those moments of struggle, of doubt, that your consistency will be tested. And it's by pushing through those moments that you'll come out stronger on the other side. So keep going, keep pushing, and let your consistent actions pave the way to your success. The fourth law of growth is, elevate your surroundings. Elevate your game. Here's the thing, the people and the environment you surround yourself with play a crucial role in shaping who you become. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This means that your closest circle has a direct influence on your mindset, your habits, and ultimately, your success. Think about that for a second. Look around you. Who are the people you interact with daily? Are they pushing you towards your goals or pulling you away from them? Are the people you're surrounding yourself with lifting you up or holding you back? It's essential to evaluate these relationships critically. Your environment, both physically and mentally, has a profound impact on your growth. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, while a serene setting can foster creativity and focus. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, by people who doubt your dreams, it's going to be an uphill battle. Negativity can drain your energy and stifle your potential. But if you surround yourself with positive, driven, ambitious individuals, the kind of people who celebrate your successes and encourage your growth, people who inspire you to be better, your entire mindset shifts. You start to believe in your capabilities and see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. You start to see possibilities where you once saw limitations. Your vision expands, and your goals seem more attainable. This isn't about cutting people out of your life. It's about being conscious of the energy you're allowing into your space. Seek out mentors, connect with like-minded individuals, and build a network that supports your aspirations. Join communities that align with your values and aspirations. Read books, listen to podcasts, and immerse yourself in content that fuels your growth. Attend events that challenge your thinking and push you outside of your comfort zone. These experiences can be transformative. Your environment should be a constant source of inspiration, of growth, of motivation. It should remind you of your goals and keep you focused on your path. Don't be afraid to walk away from situations or relationships that no longer serve you. It's okay to prioritize your well-being and growth. Your growth is precious, and you deserve to be in an environment that nurtures and supports your journey. Self-care and a supportive community are key. Remember, you are the CEO of your own life. You have the power to make decisions that shape your future. Choose your board of advisors wisely. Surround yourself with those who believe in your vision and support your journey. There you have it, the 4 invaluable laws of growth. Intentionality. Be intentional with your actions and decisions. Awareness. Stay aware of your surroundings and opportunities. Consistency. Maintain consistency in your efforts and habits. Environment. Cultivate a supportive and growth-oriented environment. Internalize these laws, implement them into your daily life, and watch as your entrepreneurial dreams come to life. Remember, growth is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges, setbacks, moments of doubt. But it's in those moments that you'll discover your true strength, your resilience, your unwavering commitment to your vision. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more inspiring content. Let's grow together.